Hey everyone, this is Mike D from First, and today we're going to go over the Raider jacket. Around a year ago, we decided to mix two of our top selling products, the Mastermind jacket and the Sharpshooter vest. What came out of it was a 3-season jacket called the Raider, made with our top-of-the-line leather Diamond Naked Cowhide, a jacket for those longer trips on your bike. We start with a Mandarin collar, covered snaps, and a crop center zipper. When opened, an insulated thermal liner that can be zipped out, and two concealed carry pockets on both sides of the jacket. One of them being a quick access pocket that's in between the center zipper and the covered snaps. Now let's go over the rest of the pockets. We have two slash pockets and two vented chest pockets. Underneath is two button chest pockets. Both button pockets are long enough to fit any cell phone. When opening the chest pocket, you'll see a long zipper that goes all the way down to the bottom of the jacket, on both sides. Opening it up reveals the utility pockets, adding 3 more pockets, 4 if you include the opening. All of this, plus the 2 concealed carry pockets, gives you 16 pockets. Now for the rest of the jacket. We got zippers on both sleeves, and when opened, a leather wind gusset. This leather is just as thick as the jacket, so when zipped up, no wind will get in. On the back we have 2 vertical zippered vents, and action back on the shoulders for mobility and a better range of motion. Lastly, like most of our jackets, the Raider comes with armor pockets. These armor pockets are made specifically for our new Smoothway CE Level 2 armor. So if you're looking for a jacket with a club style influence and enough storage to carry anything you need, the Raider is the right choice. Pick up your Raider now to get ready for the next journey.